In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 524. Roblox Error 524 means you're trying to join a VIP private server without permission or there's a connection authentication issue. Here's how to fix it. First, join only public games. You'll get error 524 if you try to join a private server without an invite. Ask the server owner to invite you or give you a private server link. Next, log out and log back in. Sign in out of your Roblox account, close your browser and app, then sign in back again. Now, check your age setting. Go to settings, account info. Make sure your birth date is accurate, 13 plus years old for some games and private servers. Also, you can check your network and permission. Check your internet connection. Use a stable network, preferably Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Next, restart your router. Disable VPN or proxy. Roblox may block connections from VPNs. And lastly, allow Roblox through firewall. Go to Control Panel, Windows Defender's Firewall, and Allow App. Then, make sure Roblox is allowed. And that's it. That's how to fix Roblox Error Code 524.